सौम्या रॉय चौधरी, कीर्ति मिश्रा, सुदीप कार, सुकन्या बोस, सुमा यस, सुयश साबू, स्वाति नायडू, सैयद इलाम नाकवी, तन्वी, त्र्यंबक पट्टनायक, उमंग शर्मा, वरुण सुनील, हिमांशु, विशाल बिशी, विश्वजीत नारायण, विवेक रथी, अनंत श्रीवास्तवा, सोमन मेहता, and Ashish Tabral. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. I now request our director, Dr. R.C. Natarajan, to administer the professional oath to the graduating students.
Please, please say after me. I solemnly pledge that as a recipient of the Postgraduate Diploma in Management of TA Pai Management Institute, I shall practice my profession with conscience and dignity, uphold the ethical and moral values that govern the processes of good management, pursue excellence in management, strive to be a useful member of society by active participation in the socio-economic development of our country. You may be seated now.
Thank you very much, sir. I now request Dr. Simon George, Dean Academics, STAPME, to get the register of graduating students signed by our chairman, Dr. Ramdas Pai. Thank you very much, sir. I now move on to Special Merit Awards. Every year, TAPME gives awards to the 3 top-ranking students of the PGDM program. This is on the basis of their overall academic performance in both the years put together. I now request our chairman, Dr. Ramdas Pai, to present the Special Merit Awards to 3 of the most meritorious students of the graduating class. The 3rd place goes to Amit Kumar Nehta. The 2nd place goes to Anup Dhanuka. And the 1st place goes to Paminderjit Sunar. I now request our chairman to present the Special Merit Award for the most meritorious student from the 2012 batch of the PGDM Healthcare. And this award goes to Dr. Jagmeet Kaur. Thank you very much, sir. Srimati Gangama Amanaya Award. Srimati Gangama Amanaya Award is instituted in the memory of late Gangama Amanaya through an endowment given by her son, Dr. K.K. Amanaya of Udupi. The award is presented to 2 lady students who secured the first places in marketing and finance. I request our chairman, Dr. Ramdas Pai, to present the Srimati Gangama Amanaya Award to the 2 of the most meritorious lady students of the graduating class of 2012. The award for the best lady student in marketing goes to Deepika Vij. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. From the year 2001, TAPME has instituted a prize in the memory of late Dr. A.S. Iyer through an endowment given by his grandson, Professor Sunil Kumar Parmeshwaran and family. The prize in the form of a gold medal is presented to the best student in finance. I request our chairman, Dr. Ramdas Pai, to present the Dr. A.S. Iyer Memorial Prize to the most meritorious student in finance from the graduating class of 2012, and this prize goes to Anup Dhanuka. Thank you, sir. Now we have Dr. S. Dandapani Prize. In 2002, TAPME instituted a prize for the best outgoing student judged on academic performance. This was through an endowment given by Dr. S. Dandapani, former member of the Railway Board. I request our chairman, Dr. Ramdas Pai, to present the Dr. S. Dandapani Prize to the best outgoing student from the graduating class of 2012. The Dandapani Prize for the year 2012 goes to Ms. Paminderjit Sunar. And the Gangama Amanaya Award for the finance goes to Soni Bajaj. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir. From the year 2010, TAPME has introduced the TAPME Achiever of the Year Award. This award recognizes exceptional performance in addition to academics during the 2 years stay at TAPME, such as contribution to the image of the institute by winning awards and prizes in competitions at institutes of repute, publishing in prestigious journals, being a part of prestigious projects outside the curriculum that may be nationally or internationally recognized, or may have upgraded professional qualifications. She or he may have also contributed to institution building by outstanding work done as a member of various committees or fora, or may have participated in local community development in significant ways. The rating is done by the faculty members of TAPME. I now request our distinguished chief guest, Dr. J.J. Irani, to present the TAPME Achiever of the Year Award for the class of 2012 to Amit Kumar Nahata. In the year 2000, Messrs. Agrivo Limited gave an endowment to honor the best overall graduating student at TAPME. The choice is based on the best overall personality in addition to academic performance as perceived by the TAPME community. The selection process involves 3 stages. First, the top 10% of the batch purely based on academic scores are considered. Second, the students and staff members cast their vote indicating their choice of one candidate. Based on this, third, the names of the top 3 candidates are shortlisted and circulated among the faculty members. The faculty members indicate their preference of one candidate. The candidate who polls maximum votes at this stage is chosen as the Agrivo Student of the Year. In case of a tie at this stage, the director has the casting vote between the tied candidates. The award carries a gold medal and a citation. I now request our PGP Chairman, Professor Gururaj Kidur, to deliver the citation and announce the winner of the Agrevo Award.
Thank you, Preeta. The citation reads like this: you have always put in your best efforts to achieve excellence in all your academic pursuits. You have balanced your academic responsibilities with co-curricular and extracurricular activities. You have demonstrated your natural leadership qualities in your words, actions, and deeds. You have not only participated actively in the various institution building activities, but have also provided your fellow students with support and empathy whenever needed. You have exhibited your deep sense of duty to the Institute's cause at all times and have been committed to the Institute's values. Your ability to express yourself with sensitivity has earned you recognition from all. You have left your mark with the qualities you possess and have shown character in dealing with your shortcomings. You leave behind a sense of friendship, appreciation, and respect in all your interactions with students, the faculty, and the staff. You have shown yourself as a person with sound moral principles. You have made a sincere effort to be a role model for your fellow students to look up to. You have exhibited qualities that will hold you in good state for a successful career and a meaningful life. In recognition of your all-round excellence, the faculty, the staff, and the students of TAPME are proud to name you the Agrivo Student of the Year 2012. Congratulations, Mr. H. Prasad Balakrishna Nayak. I request our distinguished chief guest, Dr. J.J. Irani, to kindly present the award to Prasad Balakrishna Nayak. Prasad, would you like to say a few words in acceptance of this honor?
Honorable Chief Guest, dignitaries on and off the stage, faculty members, staff, and my dear friends. I'm humbled to receive this award, and I should say that this wouldn't have been possible without contribution and support from each of you. So you should give a clap for yourselves. And to be frank, these 2 years in TAPME it helped me enrich my knowledge more through sharing between our peers and apply whatever we learned in various committee works, inter and intra-B-school events and competitions. If I had to say something, then I would say that each one of us has something unique in us. What would differentiate us in a long run is the ability of us to recognize that and then channelize it in the right direction. And I believe that we will be able to add better values to each one of us, ourselves, as well as the society and the country, if we do that. Again, I would like to thank my parents, because without them, I don't think anything would have been possible. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Prasad, and congratulations once again.
Every year, TAPME publishes a formal annual document called TAPME Update, highlighting the important events at the Institute during the academic year. I request our distinguished chief guest, Dr. J.J. Irani, to release TAPME Update 2012. I request our chairman, Dr. Ramdas Pai, to kindly receive the first copy. Thank you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, I now request our distinguished chief guest, Dr. J.J. Irani, former Managing Director, Tata Steel, to kindly deliver the convocation address.
Chairman of the Board of Governors of TAPME, Dr. Pai, Director, Professor Natarajan, members of the board, members of the faculty, the parents of the graduating students who are here, obviously very proud and in some cases very relieved also. Members of the press, distinguished guests, and of course, the group to which this day belongs, the graduating